Drying laundry outdoors is common in many households in Singapore. To make outdoor laundry drying easier and more convenient, HDB has introduced a new retractable clothes drying rack as part of the Home Improvement Program. It has new design features that make it safer and easier for you to use and maintain. Now you can easily dry your laundry without having to carry the poles in and out of the window. This is important for elderly residents, especially if they are handling heavy laundry. The new rack also addresses safety concerns posed by dislodged bamboo poles and reduces the risk of accidents. Here's how to use it. To dry a light load of laundry, simply hang your laundry on the outermost poles of the rack. To dry a heavier load of laundry, you can extend the rack by shifting the position of the remaining poles. First, place your hands on the pole with the engraved markings. This is the fourth pole from the top. Then, lift and slide the pole outwards. Lock the pole in place by turning it. The pins at both sides of the pole should slide securely into the notch. The rack can be locked at different positions depending on how many poles you need. To take in your laundry, start with those that are nearest to you. Unlock the poles by placing your hand on it. Then slide it outward slightly and turn it. The pins should slide out of the notch. Next, gently pull the poles towards you and collect your laundry. Auntie May has been using the new laundry rack for a while, and she would like to share some useful tips with you. To maximize the amount of laundry that you can hang, here's what you can do. Hang large items such as bed sheets on the outermost pole. If the item is too large, fold it before placing it onto the rack. For other items such as clothes, place them directly on the pole and secure them with a peg. But if you have a lot of laundry, you can use a clothes hanger that has a swivel hook before securing it on the rack. When the rack is full, it may be difficult to push and pull the poles. Grab the third pole with one hand and push it outwards. Then, use the other hand to grab the fourth pole and twist to lock. For small items, you can use pegs to secure them to the innermost pole. Singapore's weather can be unpredictable. To bring in your clothes quickly, remove the smaller items near to you first. Then, bring the large items in from the outer poles. Lastly, gather the hangers together and bring the remaining clothes in. If your laundry still needs drying, you can hang them on your ceiling-mounted clothes rack first and bring them out again when it's sunny. Here are some tips to use the rack safely and easily. Try to use the rack from the center. Move the poles gently. Keep the rack clean by wiping it regularly. If there is dirt in the side arms, clean them and apply lubrication before use. Do not place anything on the rack except laundry. Keep your hands off the side arms when using the rack. Do not open up the maintenance flaps on your own. If you face any issues while using the rack, approach your town council and they'll be happy to help out. With the new retractable clothes drying rack, you'll be able to do your laundry confidently, conveniently, and safely with ease.